Yeah, I've been to a couple of physical therapy places for shoulder, and the last one, it was useless. I didn't get, there's nothing that I took from it that I could still do that actually did anything. There's a lot of improvement, especially in my neck. Um, I I had done the physical therapy and they had me doing chin tucks, and that was cool, but the chin tucks with an extension, that made a big difference. So I was starting to do that all the time.
Nice. That's
Uh,
perfect.
and then another big impact was that little mini band behind the neck or behind the back extension with lateral. That made a huge difference, especially like in the front here, because I had almost no range. And as soon as I would go to lateral, my right shoulder would pop, and then all of this was just incredibly tight. So that's another exercise I do all the time,
Perfect.
and that helps. So that's improved. I don't have like the overhead, like I said before, I'll sit down on the couch, lean on the couch with my arm up, and every time I would bring it down, it would hurt. Well, that doesn't happen at all. Big improvement on like the wall slides made a big difference with extension. So I still do those things. The way you guys had me do pull aparts because I used to do band pull aparts, but I would do it out here.
Mm-hmm.
And then bringing it and holding it, trying to keep the band against my chest and retract. I had no ability to do that.
I see it.
So now I can, and I do that a couple of times a week
Okay, good.
or 3 times a week. The W's I was doing before, and I noticed I had to keep doing them. When I lay off, like my right shoulder gets tight. So if I do that, 3 or 4 times a week, I don't have that tightness at all. So those are like exercises I'll be doing the rest of my life.
Get.
And then I really like any kind of press, like that banded press with external rotation and internal rotation. The first time I did it with internal rotation, I had pain, but I worked through it, and then that doesn't happen.
Good.
So and a lot of them I'm just going to keep doing as assessment. That's another great exercise, and realizing that it's not just external or internal rotation, it's your position. That and then that's almost endless. Well, to me, because I don't, it's
Never.
nuts.
Yeah. Never end.
Constant experimenting. You just need tons of exercises to go through. So I had the habit, and I was doing stuff routinely, but I just didn't have what I was doing wasn't enough anymore.
I see.
And I didn't know what exercises to try.
You just felt like you'd kind of like reached that plateau and you just were kind of lost a little bit.
Yeah, well, the thing is, it's hard to do it on your own.
Yeah.
And progression.
For sure.
Or start these and give me a list, because there's an endless supply of exercises that there's no way I could go through it all.
Sure.
You know, yeah. So I needed more exercises.
There you go. But again, never ending. Never
And
ending.
I got a better toolbox.
That was what this was always about. How can we build a better toolbox? I love that. Tell me a little bit about just like working through from a virtual shoulder rehab side of things, right? I mean, obviously we never met in person per se. How does that following kind of that system for you?
Well, I thought it was great. The app is great. The videos. Yeah, that's about all I needed. There's no way you could do all this in person.